Hi guys, I'm Cam, and it's late at night, but whatever. You guys wanted a review on this so bad, and because some of you wanted to buy this, so I finally pulled it off the gator. That's why there's 3 zip tie things, because I use it on my gator at work. The reason I haven't done a review on it, because I wanted to make sure I knew how it sounded, and it sounds very good, even though it's off right now. So just to show you what it has on here, got your pause, reverse, forward, volume, you know, all that shit, right? And then in here, as you can see, the stupid flap, stay down, thank you Mac. There's your auxiliary, your USB. USB is for charging your phone. The power button on the left bottom, and then in that one where she pointed is your charger port. So it's rubber, it's splash proof. I've had it in the rain, pouring rain, it still hasn't broke. So make sure it's not too loud, Mac.
I'll turn it up.
Okay. So she's gonna play a song just so you can hear it. Turn it up. Not too loud. Not that loud. Not that quiet. Go up a bit more. Okay.
I'm like, hey, what's up, hello? Since your pretty ass soon as you came in the door. I just wanna chill, got a sack for us to roll. Married to the money, introduced her to my stove. Showed her how to whip it, now she remixing for low. She my track queen, let her hit the bando. We be counting up, watch how far them bands go. We just set a goal, talking matching Lambos. At 56 a gram, 500 grams though. Man, I swear I love her, how she work the damn pole. Hit the strip club, we be letting bands go. Everybody hating, we just call them fans though. In love with the money, I ain't never letting go. And laying high with my baby. I just left the mall, I'm getting fly with my baby. Yeah. And I can ride with my baby. I be in the kitchen cooking pies with my baby. Yeah. And I can ride with my baby. I just left the mall, I'm getting fly with my baby. Yeah. And I can ride with my baby. I be in the kitchen cooking pies. I'm like, hey, what's up, hello?
So I might play another song in a minute, but that's basically how it sounds. The only time it does distort, if you guys know what that means, you should know, is if you have a song that's very no bass, just high treble, like high range, it will distort. It sounds like spitting, so that's the only time. Certain songs that are like rock songs that are really hard and constant, the thing will cut out on, which is one of the bad parts about it. But other than that, I've never had any problems with the speaker. Runtime on battery is around 4 hours, but I've gotten a little bit more out of it. I just leave it overnight to charge at work, but the speaker I believe retails for about like 84 bucks, so in the end it comes to 90 almost, which is totally worth it for the speaker. It is well, I gotta go, but anyway, sorry about that. It just says that it's I gotta go soon because of the memory on my phone. But anyway, it's pretty big. It's probably it's the size of my arm, basically. But anyway, so yeah, this has been the review of a Blackweb Bluetooth speaker. Thanks and bye.